Hey everyone, this is Veronica Seban from Business Power Academy. I'm the author of different coaching books and of course owner and founder of my coaching Business Power Academy. So I want to congratulate you and you're up because you have just now jumped in. So to get your free gift for storytelling for companies. I'm very excited and I'm very happy for you because you have just now have taken the first step to change your life and to discover different strategies, how to set up a company online, and especially through your life story. It sounds unbelievable, but this is true. And I think that especially if you are new in the coaching industry, and this is something very new for you and that you cannot imagine. So how could you create a coaching program or a strategy for your company through your life story? But the truth is that I really love so to create strategies. I'm known as a queen strategist, and I have integrated and found it out so the strategy about storytelling and how to create and make massive impact on millions around the world, how to transform lives of another people through their life story and you through your life story. So this is the thank you page and the thank you video that you cannot watch it again. So keep close attention to every single word that I'm gonna tell you right now, because the free gift that you will receive in your email will help you to create the foundation of your strategy, how to integrate storytelling into your company, or how to create as well a coaching program. And how amazing is that? Because how many times do you get a such opportunity? And I want to tell you that we are so the one that are creating opportunities. So it means that this is a lifetime opportunity. So to can change your life and to see step by step. So through a proven strategy, how does it really work? Because it's there about. And I know if you are right now here, it means that you are struggling so with that you are looking for a proven strategy that will work. So for you, that you are looking for a business model which will help you to create more income. And there is so one thing more that I want to make you very happy, of course, that through storytelling and all the tools that I'm gonna deliver you in my digital courses, storytelling for companies, how can you automate so your digital courses, your webinars, your challenges, and how can you make easy money online? So how beautiful is this? I hope that you are doing very well. So, and I'm here to help you out, because when I started with my coaching business, I was struggling so in the same way like you, and I know how do you feel. I know how frustrating is that, and I know that it takes a lot of time and it consumes to you a lot of energy, because I have been there and I know exactly how that is. And that's the reason so why I create the storytelling strategy for you to help you out to grow your online business fast. So I wish you all the best, a lot of patience. Um, be open-minded, be coachable, so accept to be helped because you are here for a reason. It means that you are here because you want to change your life, because you want to get a better life. And so let's do it together. So let me help you, and with your permission, of course, then I'm gonna help you. And don't hesitate to enroll you for my digital course, Storytelling for Companies, which is a bundle of 3 courses, which has 3 packages, the basic package, the premium package, and pro package. So I see you soon. Take care. Bye.